Hi, I'm Kanti Wijaya from Indonesia. I have completed a 7 days program of Awaken The Divine You.
Hi, I'm Rinky from Hong Kong.
Hi guys, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Julia.
I'm Leslie.
Hi, I'm Ray.
Hi, I'm Mandy.
Hi, my name's Elise.
Hello, my name's Mel.
Hi, my name's Nathan.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm Danielle.
Hi, I'm Jeanette from Sydney.
Hi, I'm Boris Walter, or Chuck B, whatever you want to call me.
Hi, my name is Kentaro Nishizawa.
Hi, I'm Agnes from Jakarta, Indonesia. I've just finished the 7-day Awaken The Divine You program, and I have to say it has been one of the most amazing things I've ever done.
I just finished the Awaken The Divine You program with Master Umish, and it was absolutely brilliant.
Anyone interested, this is the most incredible journey that anybody could ever take in their whole life. You'll feel awakened, alive, and a total connection with yourself and oneness and all that it is in all of life. I thoroughly love it.
Can hardly put into words how amazing I feel, and so much unconditional love and gratitude. I just am bursting with it. I've gained so much from this experience.
Fantastic program.
Meeting everybody, learning from everybody, making real connections here.
The biggest impact I had was coming in thinking I knew everything about the fabric of life and what is and what isn't. What this has given me is a new understanding of the unknown, the unverifiable, a language that explains the meaning of life, more purposeful in life. It does take a lot of hard work and ego breaking down, and it's not comfortable, but you'll find that it's very necessary.
It's made me remember who I truly am, and for that I am eternally grateful.
Incredible spiritual development.
I just can't recommend it enough, and I feel like I've grown 10 years in the amount of 7 days. It's amazing. And
I feel so much lighter having done this program.
But this one has really grounded me in fabulous practices.
This is the best birthday gift I've ever found for myself in 31 years.
It is fabulous, and it has awakened me a lot.
When I came in here, I was within myself, shy.
7 days for me, it really is my everything.
It's amazing that the whole life, what you need is just unconditional love for yourself and others.
Gained a lot of tools and knowledge.
It's really touched my heart, and it's changed me. So, thank you.
And you will be able to find your true purpose in life. And it's not about rules, boundary, religions, or any system that we were taught since we were young.
It's been a 7-day amazing whirlwind experience of
A lot of things buried deep inside me.
I learned how to be myself, love myself, and I felt a lot of love from my family, from my master.
Today I feel energetic and everything's out, and I'm just going to power through my life from here on in.
Give me more opportunity to be positive and successful through life.
I feel like a family. Whole the team here is really supportive. They treat me like a family. The service is amazing, and what I feel about this program is really changing my life.
I feel happier and enjoy my life.
I've changed in my inner self, and I'm much happier.
I came into this thinking like I kind of knew a few things, and I found myself, but now I know that Master Umish can give me all the tools that I need to go on with my life and to find eternal life.
I want to heal myself, transform myself, and recreate my life to be a better me. And turns out I found who I am here. I awake spiritually. I become so clear of my purpose, my goals.
Joined this program, not too sure what I was expecting, but I've come out with so much. I know there's a lot that I still have to grow into, but it's been a great experience.
Found out my journey, my purpose, and I'm going to continue with that and take what I've taken and apply that to my everyday life. Thank you.
And then so I'm really, want to recommend for anyone to have some very negative or positive feelings, because this is opportunity to heal yourself and recover yourself, and so something we receive move forward. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you to all the seniors, the masters, the family I got to know, who are all absolutely beautiful people, all on the same journey to realise their inner self and what they can do and to make a difference in this world. It's fantastic. Thank you.
But also Master Umesh complete us with the energy, support, tools practically, so we can develop this skill to be the best version of our lives. So I would like to say thank you for Master Umesh for never give up to teach us and to be the lights of the whole world.
I can't recommend it highly enough. It's been an incredible journey. You won't regret it. Thank you.
I recommend to join this program. It must help you a lot. Thank you.
The best you'll ever get as far as looking for the meaning in life and your personal development, your spiritual journey. Can't recommend it higher.
It was a painful process for me, but there's light at the end of the tunnel, and it's a heroic path that you will take. So if you are willing and you are courageous enough, you'll take the first step down this path, because the reward is very, very rewarding. Thank you.
And if you are up for a transformation for yourself, for your loved one, for the world, just take the leap of faith and do the 7 days, and you will know what I'm talking about. Thank you.
And it's all due to the 7-day program. I absolutely loved it.
Yeah, you should really give yourself a chance and definitely do it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I couldn't recommend it more to anybody.
Thank you.
And I feel enlivened.
Magic happens. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Do it! If for anyone who's thinking about going, just do it. That's all I can say.